hang on, this end's going a bit droopy. Story of my life. Hang on. Right, we're ready. I'll just limber up a little bit. There's 3 chords in this one, so I have to get in the zone. Right, here we go. Had a baby at 40, what did I do? I haven't slept since I look 102. I piled on weight, they say, when is it due? I answer through gritted teeth, she's just turned 2. I stand on plastic dinosaurs every single day. I dream of killing Peppa Pig in a brutal way, and I could strangle Mr. Tumble with his Spartan bag. And thank the Lord for Prosecco, or I might go mad. Kids, 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 oh what fun. I sometimes wish that I'd become a nun. Then she smiles at me, and I'd do it all again. But I think I'd skip the toddler years and push her out to 10. To the loo alone would be a special treat. I'd love to read me Kindle when I'm lying on the beach. I need to join the gym again, it pains me to admit I accidentally put my bra on backwards and it fits. It's really comfortable, let me tell you. If I hear the question why again, I think I might just scream. But at least she's far too young to discuss the Brexit deal, and I only want what's best for her to have a happy life. I'm keeping all my bits crossed, she'll be Eric Cowell's wife. I had to say Eric Cowell because Simon was sat there and I had to crawl a little bit, you know what I'm saying? That were the thinking behind that one, Sheffield. All together now. Kids, 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 oh what fun. I sometimes wish that I'd become a man. Then she smiles at me and I do it all again. But I think I'd skip the toddler years and push her out at 10. Push her out to 10. Will I ever sleep again?